Okay, day 3, third attempt, the Viggen. First day was fantastic until I let it tip stall with a flat battery and the nose got destroyed. What I didn't realise at the time was that the motor mount also got dislodged, so it affected the angle of thrust and overall thrust. So I've sort of fixed that up now, so we're back on good terms again, thrusting each other. Okay, so big issue here, obviously the thrust angle must be way off. So go with a little bit of down elevator. Didn't go good. Another nose gone. Don't stop me now, I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Keep telling me that. Give me a call. Don't stop me now. Don't stop me now. Whoa. Jesus. Whew. Back to the drawing board. Okay, here we go. Third nose replacement and fourth Flite. Fingers crossed. No gyro this time. I'm going to keep the gyro off just in case it's causing any complications. Expo 62%. It is breezy. Looks like I'm going to be going for a fourth nose. And they're a little bit awkward to make. Okay. I know I'm close to getting it right, but this clearly isn't it. Let's retrieve this again. Whoa, hell wedged. Hot glue, you're a blessing. Pretty good here, getting the hang of flying the helicopters. It's a bit of a different experience, but I like a challenge. Now the only problem with this one is just it keeps going straight. And the only problem with that is that it keeps crashing. So, funny story. This is my 5th attempt, and that's the 4th nose. First nose looked beautiful, loads of detail, sprayed, high-vis orange, windows tinted, everything fantastic. Second one, spray painted orange, only much less graphics. Third one was lucky to get sprayed orange, and this is the 4th one that's not even sprayed yet. Now I've moved the CG forward quite a bit, and I'm not relying on the gyro stabilization. I think that needs some type of recalibrating because it's acting a bit funky. So we're going to try this one raw. Here we go. Suspect we need up elevator now. Lovely sound. Oh dear. So now she's still tail heavy. Just as well. Oh, just why I didn't spray it, huh? That's all okay back there. Why? Why, Delilah? We have Flite. CG clearly is better. Gotta try a bit of gyro in case it'll help, but God knows. Here goes. Okay. Maybe working. This is the best Flite I've had. Go on, you Viggen. Stay away from that tree. Try for a slow pass. Downwind, watching for tip stall. Here we come. That's it, battery's going. Gonna bring her in. Whoa! Oh, smashing. Oh! Oh yeah, there's my weight. I thought I might have lost that. Wow. I don't know.